Today we're looking at LIFT Aircraft and the HEXA, a personal eVTOL that works more like a giant drone than a normal aircraft. The mission is simple: give anyone the chance to fly without a license, without complex controls, and without the stress of traditional aviation. This is not built for travel. It's built for a short, controlled flying experience. The HEXA falls under FAA Part 103, which means no pilot's license is needed. But it also means you can only fly in daylight, in open airspace, and never overcrowded areas. Even though the aircraft looks advanced, the rules treat it like a powered paraglider. You get freedom to fly, but inside strict limits. The aircraft runs on 18 electric motors, each with its own propeller. This setup gives strong redundancy. Even if several motors fail, the system can still land safely. The engineering, not the pilot, is the real safety backbone here. The entire design works around the idea that the computer protects the flight, not your hands. Flight time is short. You get 8 to 15 minutes in the air, depending on your weight, with a quarter of the battery kept in reserve for safety. This makes the HEXA a recreational ride, not a transportation tool. It's closer to a brief helicopter sightseeing trip, but even shorter. The limited endurance is the biggest weakness of the aircraft. Top speed is about 63 miles per hour, but new pilots fly closer to 45. The shape is built for stable hovering, not fast travel. It's slow compared to any fixed-wing aircraft. The point is not speed. The point is vertical lift, smooth control, and a safe, steady view from above. Pilot limits matter. If you're around 250 pounds, your flight time will sit at the lower end of the range. The aircraft itself is a lightweight carbon structure that fits into ultralight rules. Every pound counts, and heavier pilots use more battery. Safety is heavily automated. There's a ballistic parachute that deploys on its own, even from low heights. A ground operator can take control if needed. The system is filled with guardrails. The onboard computer decides what is safe, and it steps in before you make a mistake. LIFT Aircraft sells an experience, not a vehicle. You book a session, get quick training, and take off inside a machine that handles most of the safety for you. The idea is simple: let anyone feel what it's like to rise straight into the air, even if only for a few minutes.